I like to get assistance with raising my credit score. Every time I go into the car dealership, I'm always declined for a loan, or either there's a really high interest rate. So with a better credit score, I know that I'll be able to get a lower interest rate. I like to get assistance with purchasing a home. My credit score is pretty low, and I need help with my credit to be able to secure a loan.
Lorie Woodruff, and welcome to Lorie TV, the place to be in order to have an extraordinary business and life that you deserve. And today, our favorite day of the week, it's Q&A Wednesday. This gives us the weekly time to come together to ask any questions in real estate, credit, or financial education that you are looking for, okay? And today's question today comes from Carl. Hello, Lorie. I'm a realtor and had a pretty straightforward question. I work in a community where there are lots of first-time buyers, renters, and clients who have experienced short sales and foreclosures. How does credit restoration truly help someone who can typically help themselves? All right, Carl, this is a question I get every day. I, too, am a realtor, and I work with a credit restoration company called United Credit Education Services. And I get the question pretty much every day from real estate professionals, mortgage professionals, because you guys are so much in touch with needing those credit-worthy clients. But remember, they are first-time buyers, so we have a professional service that I'd like to tell you a little bit about to help your clients that may be in position to get over the hurdle of having a low credit score in order to be able to purchase a home soon, so that you can get them in the car and they can get the dream home that they always wanted. So I'll give you a couple of great tips so that we can show you how credit restoration works for your clients. One, when they enroll with our company, they're going to have their credit report pulled. And I think this is something that all clients should do at least once a year, because by law, they can get their own credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Take a look at it, see what's on there, and if something needs to be addressed, they can address it at that time. So always make it a point to advise your clients to pull their credit report, and to identify any negative items that may be on there. Believe it or not, we may not check our credit reports every month or every couple of months like we should, but at least if you can attack it at least once a year, maybe twice a year, any negative items won't keep trailing year to year like a bad habit. So make sure once you take a look at the credit report, you identify them, and then that gives you a little bit of a blueprint of what you need to do. The third thing is go to united-credit.org. Now that is a company platform that I work with, and it's a great resource website so that your customer can see everything that goes into credit restoration. It has a video that they can view the credit restoration process. They can take a look at testimonials of other people, real live people that have gone through and had some improvements to their own credit, including myself. I personally went through credit restoration, and after 4 months I took a look at everything. I wasn't in the process of looking to buy a home, but it did give me 118 points increase. So that was a huge increase, and I know it can do the same for you. And I've heard the same kind of testimonials from many of my customers as well. So we want to make sure that they take a look at that website and have the ability to kind of browse around and see how it works for them and enroll. If it's something that they know that they need to address, they have to address these situations before moving into a home, getting the best rates, and just having the best options in life. They want to enroll in credit restoration, and that's my job, is really to go and discuss those options with your client. And the last thing is to see results. And typically most clients will see results, Carl, usually within 30 to 90 days. And that gives that time period. Certainly maybe it might be enough credit score increase for you to check back with your loan officer and get that score ready to purchase a home, okay? So hopefully, Carl, that was a perfect A to your Q, and you can share any comments that you can, or you have any other questions about the credit restoration process, come on over to Lorie TV and we can show you a little bit more about the credit restoration process for your customer. And thank you so much. We're doing this for you guys. This is so much about making sure that we're doing better than we did before. And that's the reason why the platform is here. So this leads us to our face tweet of the day. If things are tough, remember that every flower that ever bloomed had to go through a whole lot of dirt to get there. And that's by Barbara Johnson. So we thank you so much for tuning in. You guys make this show phenomenal. I thank you. It is for you. So any questions that you have about the show, come on over to Lorie TV. I'd love to hear from you. And also, if your business would love to be featured, you can also come on over to Lorie TV and we can show you how. Okay? Enjoy your week. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Lorie TV.